Dear learners, greetings from the SkillzRevo. Welcome to our organizations and thank you for choosing us your learning partners. So this is Pratik from the support team of the SkillzRevo. So in this short video, we will discuss and I will guide you through the complete LMS platform and show you how you can access the class recordings, the your test assignments and projects as well. Okay, so in this video we will discuss over the from the login to access your all materials. So as the during the registration process we have discussed with you. Once you complete your onboarding process, so after that we will do two steps. First step is the mentoring groups. We will create your mentoring groups with your name and your course. After that, onboarding process will take 24 hours once you complete your after the completing your registrations. Okay, so once your onboarding process will complete, and then we will share a mail with you, that is a onboarding email. So your onboarding email something look like this. Here you can see your names, your programs which you have selected, and in this mail you will get a username, password and our LMS platform link as well. Once you click on the provided link, you will able to get on this page. Once you come on this page, here you can see two sections. First one is a college student working professional LMS, and second one is for the K-12 segments. As you know, we have two segments into the trainings. We are providing a training for the school college professionals and uh, pass out graduates as well, and also we have a training for the K-12 segments. So you have enrolled for a working professional, so you need to click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, then you will get a home page of your LMS. So here you can see the why LMS is used, our participant, our certifications of partnerships. Okay, so no, you not need to go anywhere. You can simply click on the dashboard. Once you click on the dashboard, so here you get a two options: sign in and sign up. So you need to clean up. Then here you get a pop-up and they ask for your email and password. So have you remembered in the starting, as we discussed in the onboarding email, you will get a username and password. So same username and password you need to copy from here and paste here. Email you need to paste into the email, and password you need to paste in the password. Then you need to simply click on the sign in. Once you click on the sign in, it will take up hardly 2 3 seconds. Then you will come on the your LMS dashboard. Okay, so here this is your LMS dashboard. Here in the left side you can see some options like a dashboard, my course, batches, quizzes, assignments, calendar, certificates and profile. On the right side you can see the sections for the upcoming classes and recent recordings. As we know, we will provide your class recordings as well, so you will get all materials here, from the recordings, from the class links and the study material as well, like a test, assignment, assessments, each and everything during your live sessions which we will provide. You will get all these things from this platform. Class will start, you will get a notifications into the upcoming sections. So in live classes, once your live class start, you will get a option to join. Okay, here we have some options: enroll course, hours learned, complete and progress rate. So in which course you will enroll, you will get all the course into the enrolled course, and here you will also get a continue learning. So this is your dashboard. And the second section is a my course. In the my course section you will get your courses in on which course you have enrolled, the course name and the pre-learning you will get in the my courses. So here this is your pre-learning and this is your batch. Your batch will not start at, so you will not able to see something like this. Okay, you will only see something like this. Like if you enroll for the data science course, you will get a pre-learning for generative AI, machine learning, and pre-learning for Python. Okay, and if you are enrolled for the cyber security, you will get a pre-learning for the cyber security. And if you enroll for the cloud computing, like a cloud DevOps, MLOps, so you will get a pre-learning for the cloud DevOps and MLOps program. So you need to simply click on the pre-learning. If you want to start your pre-learning, you can click on the any section. Like let's select I am a pre-learning for Python and statistic. Once I click on this, I will get the all these things. Here you will get a short introduction, pre-learning, and what you will learn, how many. Uh, this is your total durations. Okay, lessons, and here you will get a requirement. Okay, program overview, what you will learn from this program, what is the key highlight, tool topics. Okay, so this type of things you will get. Okay, so you need to save course content. Click here, and once you click on the Python setup, you will get your video. Now you once you click here, your video will start. Okay, yes, and once you complete, you need to click on the complete. Let's go to back on our dashboard. Here you can need to click on the dashboard. Batches, once you we will assign you a batch, you will get the notifications here. For the quizzes for the same, assessment for the same. Once you assign the quizzes and assessments, you will get each and everything. Okay, so this is a total overview of your learning management systems, our LMS. One, kindly explore all these things, and if you get any confusions, any doubts, kindly ping us in our mentoring groups. We will reach out to you and connect on the Google Meet as well if required. Thank you one more time for the choosing us as a training team and as a learning partner.